In this video I will show you how to search public servers on Discord Mobile. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. This feature to explore discoverable servers isn't available yet on Discord app, but there is a workaround by using your browser. This works for any browser like Safari or Chrome. Now go to discord.com/login. For iPhone, tap on this button, then click Request Desktop Website. For Chrome, tap on 3 dots button, then click Request Desktop Site. Now log into your Discord account. Now you should be able to see this Explore Discoverable Server. If you can't see it, you can tap on this 3 lines icon, then click this Explore Server button. You will see and hear all this featured communities. You can search for any community on Discord by using the search box. To join a Discord server, click on that community. Then tap on Join Server. You will see the icon of that server added in the side. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.